For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
United States Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said that disputes in the South China Sea must be resolved through international law. He added that free nations must come together to fight it. This is seen as one of the strongest attacks by the United States on Beijing's alleged illegal territorial claims in the strategic waters of South China Sea. State Secretary Mike Pompeo on Saturday stressed that Washington's policy in the region is crystal clear. He tweeted hitting out at China and said the disputed territory in the South China Sea is not China's maritime empire.
The United States policy is crystal clear. The South China Sea is not China's maritime empire. If Beijing violates international law and free nations do nothing, history shows the CCP will simply take more territory. China Sea disputes must be resolved through international law.
Earlier this month, the US rejected China's claims to offshore resources in most of the South China Sea. This drew a lot of criticism from China and led to increased tensions between the two countries. Pompeo's statement comes after Australia backed the US and declared Beijing's territorial claims in the South China Sea as illegal. In a letter to the United Nations, Australia's permanent mission rejected China's claim to disputed islands, calling them inconsistent with international law. The Australian government rejects any claims by China that are inconsistent with the 1982 United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, in particular maritime claims that do not adhere to its rules on baselines, maritime zones and classification of features. China claims nearly 90% of the South China Sea as its sovereign territory. The sea, which is grouped into 3 archipelagos, is very crucial for global trade. Brunei, Malaysia, Philippines, Taiwan and Vietnam also lay claim to parts of the South China Sea. Earlier this month, the United States deployed 2 of its nuclear-powered aircraft carriers and 4 warships in the South China Sea. The 2 carriers, USS Nimitz and USS Ronald Reagan, were sent to South China Sea to conduct military exercises. The US had earlier moved its troops from Europe to bolster support towards other nations in Asian region against the Chinese. Remember, relations between US and China have plummeted since the outbreak of the novel coronavirus in the Chinese city of Wuhan. The 2 countries have clashed recently over trade, technology, a national security law imposed on Hong Kong, and China's claims in the South China Sea.